Hi, I'm Anton, one of the co-founders of CRM Dance, and in this video I'm going to talk about class templates, what they are, how to create one, and a few things about them that are not obvious until you have worked through your first season. So a class template is your studio's vocabulary for the different kinds of activities that you run. For example, beginner classes, Waltz classes, bronze, Latin, Saturday social, private lesson. So all of them are saved in this way as a class template, and they all have name, default duration, default price, then capacity, color on the schedule. And when your receptionist books some activities, they pick the template and an activity that comes out this way that you decided once, instead of being retyped fresh every single time. So let me show you how to create one, how does it work, how does it look like. And write them a schedule, for example, if you go to the calendar or to the standard view schedule, you'll see different chips and they have different colors, different naming. So it indicates what does each color mean. And if we see, for example, something like a violet color, it's called hip hop drop-in. You have drop-in classes scheduled for 5 o'clock. And if you go right to the settings, we are able to see the class templates right here. So let's consider an example. We have adult tab class with its default configurations, and it says that there's main description color, class usually lasts 60 minutes, and it costs $30 for student. Let's go to the schedule, and when we select the adult, it lasts 1 hour, capacity 16 students is predefined, so all the properties gets copied over, and when you actually create it, you will see that the specific kind of the class, adult tab, was created. A few important things to know right now is that the difference between the class template being public, which means that students will be able to book it from the public profile of the studio, and for the class template to be archived versus active. And if the class template is active, you'll be able to see it in the schedule, create classes from it, all of that. But if it is archived, which as you can see by this switch, the class template is not active. And they're doing it for the adult tab class. And indication right now